you noticed this? The needles on your pine trees start to turn yellow, then they turn brown and drop to the ground. Is this the first sign of something going wrong? Could your tree be in danger? Before you panic, let's take a closer look. Don't worry, this is totally normal. It's called fall needle drop. And today we're going to talk about it, why it happened, and how long the needles usually last, and if you should be concerned at all. So what's going on? Just like regular trees start to lose their leaves in the fall, evergreen trees will shed their needles. Evergreen does not mean forever green. For example, this is an eastern white pine, and pines can have their needles stay on the tree to up to 5 years. For eastern white pine, it's normal for it to drop its needles after about 2 to 3 years. And you'll notice that the new growth is fine. As you go further back on the branch, as the needles get older, those are the ones that are going to drop. If you look in the center of most spruce and firs and pines, there are no needles way back on the branches because those fell a long time ago. True firs are even more long-lasting. They can hold their needles for 5 to 7 years. This concolor tree here, or the white fir, can hold its needles up to 10 years. You might say these are the marathon runners in the evergreen world. Norway spruce, on the other hand, tends to drop its needles about every 2 to 3 years. The point is, whether it's pine, fir, or spruce, it's completely natural for these trees to shed some of their older needles. Now, there are other reasons why they can, but we'll talk about those in another video. So there's no need to worry. These trees are just making room for new, healthy growth. If you have some extra needles piling up on the ground, don't let them go to waste. They make a fantastic mulch, especially for acid-loving plants like blueberries. Your plants will love that natural goodness. So the next time you see those needles falling, and be aware that if you've had a drought, the period of time in which they turn yellow and fall can be greatly shortened, and that's why a lot of people panic. But stay tuned in our channel, because there are other reasons why needles will fall off the trees, and I will handle those in future videos. There are a number of diseases that can also cause premature needle drop. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you'll never miss out on important tips to keep your trees thriving all year long. I hope this tip has kind of settled you down a little bit if you're worried about your trees. This is Gary. Have a good day.